Hey guys, welcome to the Rugged Rundown. My name is Bob Johnson, and guess what? Today we're going to do a hands-on the FZ-M1 Toughpad. That's right, I love this little tablet. Take a look at this. It's got an X strap on the back that you put your hand in, and now you can carry it around. I love the X strap because it's really cool. The FZ-G1 has one. All their tablets have these little X straps, which I think are great. The M1 can also come with the port replicator. Right here, it's a desktop port replicator that you would just plug into the wall. It will charge an extra battery for you because it has a battery port right there. And you just take your M1 while you're working in the field, pop it in here, boom. External monitor can be plugged in. If you take a look, there's external monitor port, HDMI, SVGA. It's got a 9-pin serial for your legacy equipment, Ethernet port here, and 2 USB ports. So you can increase the USB ports off of this thing because, quite frankly, the only port on this well, there's 2 ports on here. There's a USB port and a headphone jack port. So there's not a lot of ports on this little tablet for you to work outside off of the docking station. But what would you use it for? What the heck does anybody need a little tablet like this for? Well, usually they come with a barcode reader on the back or a card swiper on the back. So what you would use this for is if you're walking around a warehouse and you're taking inventory with barcodes, you would just walk by, boop, boop, and it would take inventory for you. You could also use the card swipe if you were doing point of sale, walking around the store. If you have a store and you just need to do credit cards, you could swipe the cards right on this little device and process a credit card. So you can make money using this little tab. So those are kind of the applications I envision you would use these for. Hey, let me know what you think. Put that comment down below. Tell me what you might use them for. Other than that, that's the FZ-M1. I hope you enjoyed the video. Put your comments below, and I'll see you guys next week.